हेलो गाइस, स्वागत करता हूं आपका स्मार्ट कीड़ा करंट अफेयर्स मॉक टेस्ट 19th में. लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द मॉक टेस्ट and I hope you have followed the last mock test as well. So let's start with it. Rajendra Singh Jadeja has passed away recently. He was related to which sport? Kindly give the correct answer. Rajendra Singh Jadeja passed away recently, related to which sport? The answer for the same is that he was related to none of these, as he's related to cricket. He was a former Saurashtra pacer and match referee Rajendra Singh Jadeja. Right? He passed due to COVID-19. He was 66 years old. Name the woman who was notable astronomy communicator and director of the Nehru Planetarium. Passed away recently. Kindly give the correct answer. Director and communicator of Nehru Planetarium. Kindly give the correct answer. The answer for the same is Naveen Nandiwala Ratna Shri. So, notable astronomy communicator and director of the Nehru Planetarium, Nandiwala Ratna Shri, died after due to being infected due to COVID. So, the important thing is that many people ask me ki what is it sufficient like the GK for which is done in Smart Kida. I think the current affairs coupled with the mock drills are more than enough for your preparation for banking exams, right? I wanted to do it in the start of the slide, but मैं बीच में ही कर रहा हूँ इसको डील. अगर आपका ये डाउट है कि क्या सफिशिएंट है स्मार्ट किडा करंट अफेयर्स, मोर देन सफिशिएंट है. इसके साथ अगर आप किसी और साइट का भी करना चाहते हैं तो 2 साइट्स काफ़ी होती हैं. इनकी मॉक ड्रिल्स अगर आप करते हैं तो मॉक ड्रिल्स के अंदर 800 पॉइंट्स हैं जीके के, और इसके साथ साथ अगर आप डेली जीके कर रहे हो तो डेली जीके के अंदर 20 पॉइंट्स होते हैं पर डे जीके के, तो 20 × 30 तो 600 पॉइंट ही हैं. अगर मैं मान के चलता हूँ कि 300 रिपीट भी हो रहे हैं इसके अंदर और इसके अंदर, तो भी आप 1000 पॉइंट्स जीके के याद कर रहे हो, विच इज़ मोर देन इनफ. आई विल स्टार्ट शेयरिंग. ये पीडीएफ स्लाइड्स भी जो हैं स्लाइड्स के मैं शेयर करना स्टार्ट करूंगा, तो आप इसके साथ भी उसे कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ अगेन. तो ये नोटेबल एस्ट्रोनॉमिस्ट हैं. नेशनल गैलरी ऑफ मॉडर्न आर्ट एनजीएम में they are going to start with Nemesha 2021 from 17th May. NGMA is located in which of the following cities? Kindly give the correct answer. National Gallery of Modern Art. The answer for the same is it is located in New Delhi. So NGMA is located in New Delhi and it's creating a virtual museum space through its online summer program Nemesha 2021. Right? This will provide a platform to create and engage with the arts. The current duration of the program is 17th May to 13th June 2021. So it's having a virtual museum space because due to COVID, you cannot create a real space. Which of the following country has become the second country after US to successfully land a spacecraft on the surface of Mars? Name this country. I've dealt with it in the day before yesterday. The answer for the same is China. So China has landed a spacecraft on the surface of Mars, right? So this is the correct answer. According to the state media, the controlled touchdown of Zhurong, a 6-wheel rover named the fire god in Chinese mythology, occurred at 7:18 a.m. in Beijing time on 15th May. Drug firm Eli Lilly has signed a voluntary license agreement with which company to further expedite the availability of baricitinib for COVID-19 patients in India? Kindly give the correct answer. Drug firm Eli Lilly have signed a voluntary licensing agreement with Natco Pharma. So with Natco Pharma, they have inked an agreement for COVID-19 drug baricitinib. The company has issued an additional royalty-free, non-exclusive voluntary license to Natco Pharma, and the Hyderabad-based company will be collaborating with Eli Lilly to further accelerate and expand the availability of baricitinib in India during this pandemic. Ministry of Tribal Affairs has recently linked an MOU with which company to support the digital transformation of schools such as Eklavya Model Residential Schools, EMRS, and Ashram Schools, among other, under the ministry at the online event Empowering Youth for Success. So with which they have signed, the Ministry of Tribal Affairs? The answer for the same is they have signed it with Microsoft. So partners with Microsoft to skill students in tech, including artificial intelligence schools. Under the Affirmative Action Initiative, Microsoft will make curriculum available to tribal students in both English and Hindi at all EMRS schools under the ministry to skill educators and students in the next generation technologies, including artificial intelligence. Very important. Who among the following has been appointed the Chief Digital Officer of Vodafone Idea Limited? The answer for the same is Reema Jain. So remember, Reema Jain has been appointed as the Chief Digital Officer of Vodafone Idea Limited. She joins the telecom operator from Unilever, where she was the head of IT. Very, very important. Name the person who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Dai-ichi Life Insurance Company. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Dai-ichi Life Insurance Company? Kindly give the correct answer. The answer for the same is Abhay Tiwari is the MD and CEO of Dai-ichi Life Insurance Company. So answer A is the correct option. So This is the correct answer, right? So, Star Union Dai-ichi Life Insurance Company has announced the appointment of Abhay Tiwari as the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer. So, Sud Life is a joint venture between Bank of India, BOI, UBI, and Dai-ichi Life Insurance Company Limited, Japan, right? So now he is elevated as the MD and CEO. First, he was having the position of Joint President and Chief Actuary. Which of the following state government has launched Hit COVID app to ensure regular monitoring and tracking of those COVID-19 patients who are in home isolation across the state? Kindly give the correct answer. The answer for the same is Bihar government. So they have launched the Hit COVID app to ensure regular monitoring, tracking of home isolated patients. So Bihar government has launched the Hit COVID app. HIT stands for Home Isolation Tracking. So very important. Home Isolation Tracking. International Museum Day was observed on which date? Only thing to remember is May 18th. So on May 18th, International Museum Day was observed. So International Museum Day is observed on May 18th every year to raise awareness among people about the museums. They are important means of cultural exchange and the development of mutual understanding, cooperation and peace among people. Anjan Bandyopadhyay passed away recently. He was what? Kindly give the correct answer. What was he? The answer for the same is that he was a television journalist, Anjan Bandyopadhyay. So he was an eminent journalist and popular TV anchor. He tested positive for COVID and he has passed away. World AIDS Vaccine Day 21 was observed on which date? The answer for the same is World AIDS Vaccine Day was observed on May 18th. Again, you have to remember May 18th is the Museum Day as well as the World AIDS Vaccine Day. So World AIDS Vaccine Day or HIV Vaccine Awareness Day was observed annually on May 18th, right, to prevent HIV infection and AIDS and for awareness. The day acknowledges, thanks volunteers, health professionals, supporters and scientists who are working together to find a safe and effective AIDS vaccine. K. Ranjan Narayan passed away recently. He was what? Kindly give the correct answer. The answer for the same is he was a eminent Tamil writer, K. Ranjan Narayan, right? He died at the age of 98 in Pondicherry. Pondicherry is very famous for Aurobindo Ashram, which is the ashram of Aurobindo, Sri Aurobindo, right? K.D. Chandran passed away recently. What was he? So K.D. Chandran was the father, I guess, of Sudha Chandran and known for his role as Juhi Chawla's father in Hum Hai Rahi Pyar Ke, passed on Sunday morning. Actor was admitted to City Critical Hospital in Mumbai. And he died due to a heart attack, right? So he was an actor and father of Sudha Chandran. Who among the following was inducted posthumously into the Basketball Hall of Fame? One of the favorite players, Kobe Bryant. So Kobe Bryant was inducted posthumously into the Basketball Hall of Fame, right? Los Angeles Lakers icon Kobe Bryant was inducted posthumously. Last year he died in a helicopter crash with his young daughter, and as a part of the star-studded group he was added that also included Tim Duncan, Kevin Garnett. He was inducted as a part of the class of 2020. Almost 16 months after he and his 13-year-old daughter, Gianna, were killed in a helicopter crash, among with 7 others in Southern California. Who among the following has been appointed as the batting coach of the Indian women's cricket team for the Tour of England? Kindly give the correct answer. The answer for the same is Shiv Sundar Das. So former India opener Shiv Sundar Das has been appointed as the batting coach of the Indian women's cricket team for the Tour of England. And he is looking forward to use his coaching stint at the National Cricket Academy to guide the youngsters during the trip. Who among the following has won the consecutive high jump title while representing university in USA? Answer for the same is this title, high jump title, goes to Tejaswini Shankar. So Kansas State University was represented by Tejaswini Shankar, who has won back-to-back men's high jump titles in the Big 12 Outdoor Track and Field Championship in Manhattan, USA, right? Very important. Kansas University. Which of the following company has partnered with Elon Musk's SpaceX to provide Starlink internet service? The answer for the same is, I think so, Google. So Google has partnered with Elon Musk's SpaceX for its Starlink internet service. Elon Musk SpaceX has announced a new partnership to bolster the use of its satellite internet connectivity. The US-based aerospace manufacturer has collaborated with Google Cloud to deliver data, cloud services, application to its enterprise customers, right? The Google Cloud will try to leverage Starlink's high-speed broadband internet for its infrastructure to support such activities for its enterprise customers. Black fungus has been declared notified disease in which state? The answer for the same is black fungus has been declared as notified disease in Haryana. So black fungus has been categorized as notified disease in Haryana, making it imperative that the government authorities be informed about each case. This will allow in tracking and management of any outbreak. Very important. Center has recently released what amount to 15 states for the implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission in the financial year 21-22. The answer for the same is, I think, 5,968 crore. Yeah, so Center released 5,968 crore to 15 states under the Jal Jeevan Mission for financial year 21-22. Very, very important. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked. I will try to come with videos. If you like with videos like my face coming with the GK, or without it, you can comment in the YouTube section. I will adhere to it after 7 days. For 7 days, the classes will come with videos. I hope you have a nice day. Thank you very much. This is Rohit Sharma, wishing you a very, very good night's sleep. We'll meet you tomorrow. Bye guys. Take care.